Let's get started. When you have a Facebook page, you can use it to promote your products to your target audience. Having a shop tab on your Facebook page is great for showcasing and selling your products to your potential customers. You may notice different features on your Facebook shop depending on your location. Before you set up your Facebook shop, here's what you will need. First, you need to be an admin of the Facebook business page where you want to set up a Facebook shop. Next, prepare the items that you want to sell. Take photos of the product, prepare the details like the price and the description. Doing this will make it easier to upload the products in your Facebook shop. Next, you can set up your Facebook shop and modify it to your brand's products. People who are searching for products that they would like to purchase can discover your Facebook page and learn about your products via the Shop tab. Browsing the Shop tab with the products that you offer can help entice your viewers to purchase your products. It is possible to add a link to your website as they click on the checkout button and they will be redirected to your e-commerce website. First, enable the Shop tab on your page. If the Shop tab is not yet visible on your page, go to the More tabs and click Edit Tabs. Under Tabs, look for the Shop tab. You may notice that it is not yet enabled. Click this radio button to enable the Shop tab, then move it on the top of your tabs list. When your followers and page visitors see your tabs, they can easily view that you have a Shop tab and check out your products there. Next, set up your Facebook shop. Click on Manage Shop. You need to create your Facebook shop in your Commerce Manager, which is a platform that you use to manage your product's inventory and sales. Now click on the Start Shop Setup button. Here is the list of steps that you will need to get started. First, choose a checkout method. You can give your customers a way for them to pay for their purchases. They can send you a direct message regarding their purchase, or they can be redirected to your website where they can check out your products there. Next is to provide your business details. Lastly, add your inventory. If you have an existing catalog, it is possible to connect it or create a new catalog to promote and sell your products. Now choose a checkout method. Here's an example of a product on your Facebook shop with a Checkout on Website button. When people click on the product on your Facebook shop, they will be redirected to the e-commerce website that you have set. Another option is to check out with messaging. Your customers will be redirected to Messenger, Instagram Direct, or WhatsApp to arrange their payment. When you have chosen the checkout method, click the Next button to proceed to connect a business account. Your business account gives you access to Commerce Manager, and it is where you can customize your shop, manage your inventory, and get business insights. You can also create a new business account here. When you click Create a New Business Account, the business name will automatically be filled up with your Facebook page name. Then add a business email address. Click Next. Now you can create a catalog. A catalog is an inventory of the items that you want to sell on your Facebook shop. Type in the name of your catalog, then click the checkbox to agree to the Catalog Manager terms. You can review the policies to ensure that the items that you will upload will not violate the terms. Now you can submit your shop for review. Before you submit your shop for review, you can see the summary of the options that you have chosen here. You can see the checkout method, business name, business email, and the catalog. If you change your mind, you can still edit this. Then click the checkbox. Once you're done, click the button Submit Shop for Review. You can customize your shop now by changing the button on your page. Change it to View Shop so that your customers can go directly to your shop to browse your items and collections. Now that you know about how to create your Facebook shop, we can now proceed to the next